Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BoomiWorld. Hope everyone is doing great. In our last video, we discussed about message shape. What is message shape, advantages of message shape, and how to configure message shape on Boomi. If you haven't watched my last video, please go and check it out now. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about stop shape. So first, we can look into what is stop shape. So the stop shape provides the ability to terminate the data flow in a process, which means if you want to stop further processing of a document, you can use stop shape. So always stop shape should be at the end of the process. So stop shape represents a successful conclusion. So that's why the stop shape does not generate any error messages. So now we can look into how to configure stop shape on Boomi. So in our last video we have already used stop shape, right? So we can discuss about this stop shape today. So this is the stop shape. So as I said, this is the definition of the stop shape. To end a process or to stop the further processing of a document, use the stop shape. At the end of the process, we can use stop shape to stop the further processing of a document. So stop shape does not provide any error messages. So this is the definition of the start shape. And now we can look into how to configure stop shape. So this is the display name. So if you want to give any display name, you can give, otherwise you can leave as it is. And here we have some options called continue processing other executions paths. So by default it is checked, which means if you click on OK, you can see display name as end and continue. So end and continue means the document continues through the process. Suppose you are getting n number of documents from the source system and you selected at the end and continue, which means it will process all n number of documents one by one. Suppose if you unselect this continue processing other execution paths, the shape displays as end and written, which means the process stops when one document reaches this shape. So as I said, if you are getting n number of documents from the source system, whenever the first document reaches the stop shape, it will end the process and it will return the result. It won't process next documents. So this is about end and return document option. So as per your requirement, you can choose whether it needs to be checked or unchecked. Yeah, that's it about today's video. If you have any queries, please let me know in comment section. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.